dryness protection ito. Para po labanan ang pawis at body odor. Yan po ang hindi na ibibigay ng tawas o pulbos lang o ng ibang deodorant. Kaya bakit pa gagamit ang iba? Dito na tayo sa talaga naman pong effective na effective Rexona Powder Dry. Meron po silang lotion sa Shea na abot ng 1 linggo dahil ito po ay piso a day lang. I mean, roll on ng 34 pesos naman po lamang. Abot po naman na yan ng 1 buwan. Tandaan ko lang po, ligo lang. Pagkatapos maligo, magbagong Rexona Powder Dry na. Thank you so much. At syempre kasama po natin Rexona sa That's Right. That's Wrong. That's Right. Okay, thank you very much. Ladies, okay. Masakit ba balakang mo, Shirani? Hindi ba ka masakit? Masakit ba balakang mo? Parang, ano ba, masakit? Hindi, tatanong ko lang. Sabihin mo lang, masakit ba balakang mo? Hindi.
Nangaapi ka.
That's right. Hindi naman kamay lang eh. Di ba? Paano? That's right. Ha? Ba't di ka mag-
Sample nga. Mr.
No.
Billy Revillame, sample please.
Gusto mong makita talaga? Paano ako sumayaw? Gusto ko nung walang kasama. Gusto ko tayong dalawa lang. That's right. Okay? Ano? That's right? Ano? Ano to? Ako pa. That's right. Iba yung mga that's right ko. Iba yung mga galaw ko.
Alam mo na.
Sugar, ha? Okay, welcome po sa ating That's Right, That's Wrong. Kasama ang Rexona. Ano-ano ang mga bibigyan nating regalo? Go!
Yes, so pwede po natin mapanalunan isang 32-inch LCD TV, mini component, water dispenser, microwave oven, gas stove with gas tank, 7 cubic feet refrigerator, plus ang ating pong cash prize ang ating tumataginting na 20,000 pesos.
Wow, 20,000 pesos na!
Wow, 20,000 na po. Kaya good luck sa ating mga tatawagan. Kaya pasok na ang babaeng miss na miss ng lahat. Ang babaeng walang ginagawa sa backstage. Please welcome Pak!
Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Pat! Happy birthday!
Birthday ngayon.
Happy birthday!
Birthday ni Pak! Birthday ni Pak!
Happy, happy birthday sa'yo.
Meron ka naman mic eh. Meron siyang mic eh.
I have my own.
Okay, it's your birthday. This is your birthday today?
Yes, Will.
Okay.
This is my birthday. Yeah, it's my birthday. We got a party like it's my birthday. Hi, people.
Okay, you want to tell everybody?
To all the people there in more than 70 countries from 7 continents, the whole wide world. Thank you. Thank you for supporting me, and I thank you, Lord, for giving me this 20 years of living in my life right now. Yes. And thank you to my mother, my father, brother and sisters, people of the world, citizens of the Philippines. Thank you.
What you want to tell? You have a wish to your friend?
My wish to you that you will not borrow my pantalon.
What?
Wow! Nakakahiya ka! Nakakahiya ka! Nangihiram ka ba?
But don't worry, because I love you and I want you. I will give you my pantalon. I just laundry lately.
When was this? When was this? She borrowed it? Why?
No, I don't borrow it.
Last day. No, she didn't borrow the pantalon. She just want to
I
get
want
the
to. Can you give me that? The.
No, why
can you
is
give
it that you do that?
me- Because that's the gift of. For
it's
me.
my gift for her.
Yeah, because I
Oh,
like it.
you're going to give, you're giving gift and then you're mentioning it to
Oh,
everybody?
why you're
You
so
don't do
bad?
that.
No.
It's so
No,
embarrassing.
listen to me carefully. The pantalon I'm wearing last day.
Ah.
And then she said, oh, that is maganda. And I said, do you want this? And she said, you give me to my birthday. And I said, okay, I will laundry it today because tomorrow I will give it to you.
Today.
Very clear, very clear. And then, is that right?
Thank you for mentioning to all the people of the Philippines that I will borrow your pants. Oh my God! But I will thank you for that.
Okay, so that's all?
Yeah,
What
that's
is your wish for your birthday?
My wish, I wanna see you, mommy. So, that's my wish for my birthday.
Where is your mom?
She's gone. She'll leave me ever since the world begun.
What's the name of your mommy? I didn't know that. Okay, what's the name of your mommy?
Go, lovely pack. Go.
Mami! Mami, malaki na. Mami, malaki na ako. Iniwan mo kami kay Papa. Thank you. Kasi kahit wala ka ngayon, eto, binigyan ako ni Kuya Will ng opportunity para kumita ng pera, magtrabaho. Salamat kay Kuya. Kasi binigyan niya ako ng chance para tulungan ang sarili ko, tulungan ng kapatid ko makapag-aral. Salamat kasi kahit wala ka sa tabi ko, binigyan ako ni Lord ng blessings sa makapagtrabaho dito kay Kuya Willie. Salamat, Kuya.
Hindi ko alam yan Hindi ko alam na ganun story ng buhay niya kasi ito po si Pac, si Monique. Masayahin to sa backstage, like siya nagpapasaya lagi sa kahit malungkot. Pag may umiiyak, siya yung nagpapasaya. Ba't hindi ko alam na ganun pala yung story ng buhay mo? Di ba?
Kuya, hindi kasi ako vocal. Kasi I'm not, the type of girl that say everything.
Oh, well, thank you,
Thank you,
Monique. I
Kuya.
didn't know that. But anyway, ito ay very loyal to sa amin. Very loyal.
I love you, Ate Pac.
Kaya sikat to, sikat. Sisikat din to. Tita Christy, Star Confession. Ganda pala yung story ng buhay nito, Kasi sa Wednesday, istorya po ni Owen. Halika. Mga Mike. Di ba? Si Owen po, ang istorya niya sa Star Confession sa Wednesday yan. O sa Miss Christy Premier. Imbitahin mo sila.
Salamat, Kuya Willie. Iniimbitahan ko po ang lahat na manood ng Star Confession sa Wednesday dahil ipapakita puro ng buhay ko. Doon nyo malalaman kung saan ako nagsimula, paano ako nakarating dito at bakit hanggang ngayon ay pinagtitiwalaan ako ni Kuya Willie.
Saka si Owen galing ng Eat Bulaga.
Opo.
Ito po si Owen galing siya ng Eat Bulaga. Yung #1 noontime show talaga sa buong mundo. Yan talaga ang #1 noontime show. Eat Bulaga naman talaga #1. So, talaga, nakita ko rating sila 13% I think 50% audience share.